YouTube outros are often overlooked by content creators. But if used correctly, they can prove to be one of the best ways to gain subscribers and drive traffic to other content in the forms of links and calls to action. Here are our Envato Elements Top 10 YouTube outro video templates for Premiere Pro for 2020. Use them wisely to boost your following and your merch sales. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Minimal Logo Reveal by GeorgeFX. Well suited to tech and science-related YouTube channels, Minimal Logo Reveal is well deserving of its place on our top 10 list. It has a futuristic feel with clean shapes and line-based elements. It's simple, yet highly effective at promoting your brand through your logo. Number 9. Particle Swish Title by Creattive. The number 9 YouTube outro video template on our list is impressively easy to customize. Set your name, your brand, or your logo up in lights with this flashy transitory display of illuminated particles that come together as a final finish to your video. Number 8. YouTube Logo Reveal by GeorgeFX. Sleek and stylish, this logo reveal outro video template will help establish a solid brand identity for your channel. Set to a fresh outro track, your viewers will be able to pick out your videos from a lineup with no trouble at all. Number 7. YouTube Promo by afeemotionFX. The number 7 addition to our Envato Elements Top 10 YouTube Outro Video Templates for Premiere Pro for 2020 will put your viewers in a mad spin to check out your other videos. A cube with your content on each face spins across the screen to engage potential subscribers and give them a sneak peek at what they're missing out on. Number 6. Lava Broadcast Package by Pixamins. This fiery package has elements reminiscent of a chic lava lamp. Use it to add information to your videos and create an enticing outro that will allow your fans to find out other content created by you. It's also perfect for letting them know how to find your sponsors or your other social platforms. See something you like on our Envato Elements Top 10 YouTube Outro Video Templates for Premiere Pro for 2020 list so far? Like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content just like this. Now, let's dive right back into our countdown. Number 5. Colorful Opener by MotionMediaGroup. Just because this template has opener in the name doesn't mean it can't make the perfect outro template too. In fact, openers are perfectly suited to outros as they generally contain similar features and help keep your branding consistently on point. Just check out all the crazy colors and added elements here. Your fans will love this fun and fancy-free outro. Number 4. YouTube by Flikmotion. Short and snappy, this outro video template is sure to leave your viewers wanting more. Add a small video snapshot to spark your viewers' intrigue, then sign off with your logo and a link. Succinct, smart, and enticing. This template is a brief glimpse into the awesome content you have to offer. Number 3. Glitch Logo Reveal by EquinoxCG. Glitch animation is a super popular trend right now that has taken YouTube by storm. This logo reveal outro is edgy, modern, and super well suited to gaming or tech video channels. The colorful glitchy animation fits right in with a futuristic contemporary industry or theme. Number 2. YouTube Promo by MediaStock. This amazing outro package features stunning slideshows of your content and a subscribe button that viewers simply can't miss. It's colorful and engaging, with interactive aspects that draw in potential subscribers, prompting them to take action. Number 1. Overlays Generator by Lexel. The geometrical themes and striking linear elements of this outro video overlay template pack perfectly complement additional design elements including light leaks and colorful doodles. Fully customizable within Premiere Pro, time-consuming video outro editing is a thing of the past. What was your favorite addition to our Envato Elements Top 10 YouTube Outro Video Templates for Premiere Pro for 2020 list? Pop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for much more content suited to creatives and entrepreneurs just like you. The next video has been put together just for you, so make sure you check it out. Access all the YouTube outro video templates for Premiere Pro in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Go on, leave your audiences with an outro to remember.